Magandang araw po muli sa ating mga kamatalino at kamatyaga. So matapos po nating unawain kung ano nga po ba ang tinatawag nating stocks and bond, samahan nyo naman po ako ngayong araw para sa pagsusolve ng different problem involving stocks and bonds. Okay po, so magsimula po tayo sa ating problem number 1. So in this problem, Mrs. Cruz owns 30 bonds with a par value of 3,000 pesos each and pays 3.5% interest. What annual income does Mrs. Cruz get from this bond? So, syempre po, ang una natin laging ginagawa is alamin po natin ano po ba yung given. Okay? So, meron tayong number of bonds, which is 30. Meron tayong rate, 3.5%, okay, or 0.035. At meron po tayong par value, which is 3,000 pesos. So, sa atin pong solution, kukunin natin yung par value of 30 bonds. Paano po? Yung atin pong 30 bonds, multiply natin sa 3,000 pesos. So, how much na po? Meron na tayong 90,000 pesos. At para makuha naman po natin ang ating annual income, we will multiply par value of number of bonds, rate, and time. Okay? So, yung par value of number of bonds, yan po yung 90,000 pesos times ang rate natin ay 0.035 at ang time po natin ay 1. Bakit po? Dahil annual. Okay? Ibig sabihin, 1 year. Yan. So, kapag minultiply natin yan, the answer is 3,150 pesos. Thus, the annual income is 3,150 pesos. Okay? Next, for our problem number 2, ABC Corporation declared a 5% dividend on the stock with a par value of 1,500 pesos. Mr. Garcia owns 500 shares of stock. How much is the dividend he received? Alright? So again, alamin natin ang mga given. Una po, meron tayong dividend percentage. So yun po ang 5% or 0.05. Meron po tayong par value na 1,500 pesos. And we have also number of shares, 500. Now, for the solution, hanapin po muna natin ano po yung dividend per share. So, paano po? We will multiply the par value times the dividend percentage. So, ano yung par value natin? 1,500 pesos. Ano yung dividend percentage natin? 0.05. So, ang dividend per share po natin is 75 pesos. Okay? And since meron po tayong 500 na number of shares, para makuha natin yung total dividend, i-multiply natin po 75,000 pesos sa 500, no? Which is 37,500 pesos. Okay? So, the total dividend is 37,500 pesos. Alright, so now let's proceed to our problem number 3. We will determine the amount of the coupon for a bond with a face value of 500,000 pesos that pays 6.5% payable quarterly for its coupons. Okay? So what are the given? First, we have the face value, which is 500,000 pesos. And then, the coupon rate, 6.5% or 0.065. So, for the solution, the first thing that we need to do is to find the annual coupon amount. Okay, so for 1 year, magkano daw ba ang ating coupon amount? So, how? We will multiply the face value and the coupon rate. So, 500,000 pesos times 0.065 is 32,500. So, para makuha po natin yung quarter coupon amount. Bakit? Kasi ang tanong dito, ang sabi dito, payable quarterly for each coupon. So, magkano daw yung binabayaran niya quarterly for each coupon? Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? We will multiply 32,500 pesos times 1/4. Okay? Or pwede nating i-divide yung 32,500 pesos sa 4 because it's quarterly. No? M is equal to 4. And we have 8,125 pesos. Okay? So that's the amount of the quarter coupon for a band is 8,125 pesos. Okay? Now, for the last problem, problem number 4. A commercial bank declared 50 million pesos dividend for a common stocks. If there are total of 650,000 pesos shares of common stock, how much is the dividend per share? So ano po yung given natin? The total dividend is 50 million pesos while the total shares is 650,000 pesos. So for the solution, we need to divide total dividend to total shares. Okay? Meron tayong 50 million pesos divided by 650,000 pesos is 76.92 pesos. Therefore, the dividend per share is 76.92 pesos. Alright? So, that's the different real-life situations involving stocks and bonds. Okay? So that's all for today. Again, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.